When beginning a course or workshop, it's important to give learners the idea of the big picture, what's going to be covered, including objectives, timeline, activities, assignments, and other relevant information. The overall concept, usefulness of the course, the objective, and its relevance to the job should be presented first, followed by an explanation of how the course is structured to achieve its objectives. This is important to get learners into the appropriate mental state for learning and helps them to understand the personal and work-related meaningfulness and relevance of course content. Using a flowchart or course outline, you should present the general topics first, followed by more specific subtopics. A concept map can also be used for organizing and presenting knowledge or skills. A concept map includes concepts shown in boxes, with the relationship between the concepts indicated by connecting lines. At the start of each part, you can present the appropriate part of the concept map, outline, or flowchart. This helps the learner organize the content in memory. Also, you can return to the entire concept map, flowchart, or outline during the course to show how the content covered fits into the course and its relationship to the next topic.